Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and install the WeatherTech mats like the title says. So if you guys are 2017 and up Honda Civic Type R, highly recommend get you some WeatherTech mats because they make your job cleaning the interior way faster and way easier, and your carpet's gonna look 100% clean from the factory all the time. So let's go. But let's head over to the Type R, guys. Got to take this out, but it is pretty dirty right now from all the leaves getting in and out of the car. So this is another reason why I highly recommend getting the WeatherTech mat. Dang, I still got the plastic on the gas pedal. Crazy. Pretty dope. Got the Type R mats right here in the red around the edges. That is sick. They also got plastic on top of this. That's pretty dope. I'm probably gonna leave the plastic on there so it doesn't get scratched up, because this is basically metal right here. So I've actually seen pages online, and they said like they have just got the car less than 500 miles, and pieces of like the black piece of this carpet is actually ripping up off of it, which is pretty crazy to see. Like, we're a little bit wear and tear that this little piece of carpet is actually coming apart already and basically rubbing out. So highly recommend WeatherTech mats. Is definitely going to be the solution. But I also wanted to share that with you guys too. If you deciding to get a Type R, or if you've been noticing that with your Type R, comment below. Are you daily in your Civic Type R? Are these actually rubbing out? I've seen a couple pictures of them online rubbing out, and a lot of people went and cop WeatherTech mats. So comment below. Going to vacuum this out and install the WeatherTech mat. Be like a little unboxing of the WeatherTech mats. It comes in like a box like this, pretty big. These are two fronts. Rear's kind of like squished in there. This is how the driver side and the passenger side looks. Well, this is the driver, this is the passenger side. Pretty nice, wrapped up. Okay, the lights came on. I'm still getting used to the car, but here's how the WeatherTech mats look. The driver's side, passenger side, the rear, all of them fit pretty snug and nice. I still left the Type R mats in here in case like I just want to take these out. This thing kind of like is a clip in there. You twist it and then the mats come out, and then you put it flat and then you twist it and then it locks so the mat doesn't move. But I just put it on top. This thing is not moving anywhere. It looks like it still has some room back there for the back pedal, but it might be stiff at first, but over time everything is gonna even out, guys. It's gonna flatten out and everything. So highly recommend. Here, let me show you guys. I will be putting the link in the description, the two fronts and the rear, so you guys can go ahead and cop them if you have a Honda Civic Type R as well. Clean. Let me show you guys the passenger side. The rear kind of like snapped in there perfect, especially against that rear center piece right there by the armrest. The fitment was pretty perfect, guys. It was really nice. And this is how the WeatherTech mat looked on this side. Real nice, very clean. Man, gotta love it. Makes your job 100 times easier when it's time to clean the interior. So I'll give you guys an example of my 8th gen Honda Civic SI. So I actually have the same WeatherTech mat in here for this car, and probably a little bit dirty in here. But I had this car since 2012, going to be about 8 years that I had this car. And I'm gonna take out this mat. As you guys can see, the mat is dirty. Try not to keep all the dirt and debris in here. But there we go, it's out. And look at that underneath there. Look at the SI mats. This car is 8 years old and the mats and everything looks basically brand new. So pretty dope. Red badge. Just open, pretty nice. And as you guys can see in here, this is how the trunk looks. With this being here, it would definitely slide around if you have groceries and stuff. It will also mess up this plastic piece here, or if you have anything bigger that's a little bit taller than this plastic piece right here. I never knew it had like vents right here. That's pretty different and unique. But yeah, it would just slide around your groceries or anything you put in your car, just slide around and bang stuff up, hit your subwoofer over here and everything. Oh, there's another light back here. Halogen bulb, wow, no LEDs, but shaking my head, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back here. Pretty dope. I'm gonna lift this up. This is pretty neat. Just lift it up, and that just sits right there. You know, you have more space. So all right, guys, so this is how the cargo tray looks on the back of the Type R. So I know this video is going to help a lot of you guys if you guys have a cargo tray, you guys are looking to get the cargo tray that you guys saw online, so you guys don't mess up your trunk or bang your car up in the hatch part. So this definitely looks really nice, and it's going to have protection all around the edge. But one thing I did notice is that you might run into this issue right here. So right here, as you guys can see, it doesn't sit pretty flush right here, and it might scratch up the bottom piece of the subwoofer. What the key is that you're gonna have to do is right around the edge right here, you're going to have to use a razor blade and cut this, and then after you do that, it is going to sit flush perfectly back here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you guys the end result. This is how it looks now with it cut out. As you guys can see, it sits flush around each corner now. Fits really good down here, the sides. Of course, I just picked it up, so the ends are gonna over time flatten out, but now this side sits perfectly. So all you have to do is cut around that edge, and now because it has the subwoofer right here, it's gonna sit perfectly. An easy way to cut this, the best way to start is from in the middle. So start cutting from in the middle to poke a hole in it, and then go around the edge. So that is my tip for you guys. I hope this helped. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering that you bought it, like what is this extra piece for? But I hope this video helps and makes it a lot better. That's how we made the cut. Looks like that. Probably you're gonna throw it away, or you could keep it for something to put coins or something in it. I have no clue, but if this video is very helpful, definitely guys smash the like button and subscribe for more new content on the way.